Hello y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anora and I am back with another video, guys. From the title you've already seen what I am doing. Like, I'm about to show you guys how I create this wig cap with just 2 bundles of Brazilian hair and a closure, like a 16 and 14 inches of closure. I'm about to show you guys how I create the look. So guys, for all those who are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, please just keep watching. With just 2 bundles of Brazilian hair, just keep watching. And thank you the new and old subscribers. You guys are much appreciated and you're much welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by on my channel. You are much welcome. So guys, without further ado, let's get into this video. So guys, going with this look, all what you'll be needing is you need a cap to sew your bundles on it, and you need some closure. So I'm using this closure in 14 inches and the bundles in 16 inches. So, and you need some needles and a scissors. So guys, without wasting so much of your time, let's just get into the video. Just go in and place in your cap, and when you're done placing your cap, you just go in now with your closure. Like my closure, for those who have been watching my videos, I just go in and I trace the line that I'm going to lay down my closure on it before going in with my sewing. So I'm just going now and start tracing the line. I will start sewing the closure. So for all those who know, my mannequin got that accident. You know, my friend broke my mannequin when she was trying to do a wig for me. So you guys can see there's something going on here. The mannequin the neck has been broken. So I'm just managing this one, because where I am to get a new mannequin, it's really not an easy job. So I'm just managing now one for the meantime before I can have the means to purchase a new one. So I'm just making my way with the sewing. So I'm just following the track of the pencil that I drew through here. So guys, when I'm done with the sewing, when I'm done in laying down my closure, I will just move now to the bundles. So you make sure you put your needle through your webs and you link it here. So thank you to all the new subscribers for tuning into my channel. Thank you guys so very much. You guys are welcome to Anora's world. Welcome, and please do not forget to give the video a thumbs up. So I'm just making my way through the sewing. And when sewing your wig cap, if you want it to last for a long time, guys, please always make sure you give it that short sewing. Like, don't give a long distance with your thread. Like, you should always make sure you should have this short distance, so the wig cap is really gonna last for a long time. So guys, I'm just making my way through the sewing. I'm still into the first bundle, as you guys can see. We are almost at the end of the first bundle. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for all the love and support. And please follow me on Instagram, get connected with me with all my social media platforms. On Facebook, I am called Anor Brown, and on Instagram, I am called Anor Brown 19. So go ahead and check it out. And I have a page on Facebook. It's called Lady A. Lady A is my name on my Facebook page. It's my Facebook page name. Go ahead and follow my page. So now I'm done with the first bundle. I will just move now to the second bundle.
I'm just walking through now with the second bundle.
So guys, we are almost at the end of the sewing, so I'm just making my way through. And please, when you get here at this between the closure and the webs, you always make sure you link the both together, because you don't want the space when you want to put your pattern. You don't want the space to be showing the black cap that you're sewing on it. So I will flip it over from here, and I make sure I link the both together, and I make sure I link these webs and the closure together. You should tuck the two together. So that's just what I'm doing right here. As you can see, it's really hard to pass through. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you watch right up to the end, I really do appreciate you for watching. Like, you're so amazing, you're wonderful. Thank you so very much for the love and support on my channel. As you can see, this is how it should be looking like. You shouldn't be seeing any space in between them. So you take it right up to the end of the week. So guys, when I'm done with the sewing, this is how everything it's looking like. So I'll just go in now and take off the cap from the mannequin and cut off the leftover. I'll go in and cut off this. So when I'm done with this now, I'll just go in and feed it back on my mannequin. So when I'm done with it, I'll just go in now and cut off the leftover lace. Make sure you don't take off your baby hair. So when I'm done, I'll just go in now with the pattern. So guys, now I'm just going in and creating the line. So I'm going in with the middle pattern. Yeah, I'm done. So this is how it turns out. This is the pattern I'm going in for this wave cap. I hope you guys love the video. I hope you enjoy watching. Do not forget to give the video a thumbs up. This is the finishing look. I hope you guys love the video. Please thumbs up the video if you like it. So I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye, and I love you all. Peace out.